Hello friends, good morning. We have started the chapter number 6, and in this chapter we have started the all type of basic fundamental debate. First we have done the introduction of unemployment. Then after we have started definition and then types according to Rajkrishna Committee types of the unemployment. And then we have discussed about the types of unemployment, frictional unemployment, full unemployment, under unemployment, cyclical unemployment, and this type of unemployment meaning we have completed and disguised unemployment. This meaning we have done, then after we have started causes of unemployment, which is most INT question. Fine. Causes and method to reduce. It is most INT questions. So these ones you have to learn it. Maybe this all will not in your final exam result. Points will not aid, this question will not aid, but entire points will be aid in this exam. Like what do you mean by the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Act, and why vocational education is the responsible for the high unemployment. Like this type of question will be select from this answer, this topic. So without any fail, you have to learn causes and measure to reduce the unemployment. This question, most INT question. We have started yesterday state program to solve the unemployment problem. I said that from 1951 when our first 5-year plan has started, from that time till now also our government is efforting for the reduce the unemployment problem. But still we in our country, in the various form, people are unemployed. So it's very essential to reduce this type of problem, and for that purpose government has started various type of the programs like Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Nehru Rozgar Yojana, Swarna Jayanti Rozgar Yojana, and Swarna Jayanti Shehar Rozgar Yojana, training to rural youth for the self-employment. This all type of program is started by the government. Now at present, our PM Narendra Modi started the Mudra and other self-production and self-dependent program also started by the Modi, PM Narendra Modi ji started this work, and various policy also started friends. This policy, these are helpful to improve the economic condition also. Not only these are providing employment, these are helpful to improve the economic status of the people and to improve the employment, plus to improve the economic development. This all should be done. This all can be done with the help of this various type of the various type of the employment program, because of the main root of the poverty is unemployment, and main reason of the poverty and main reason of the poor country is the unemployment. So we and our government have to take good steps, better policy for the reducing the unemployment rate. All type of measures to reduce the reduce the unemployment we have done. Only last one topic 6.5 is related to state program to solve unemployment problem. And in this I started yesterday Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Program. Friends, it's very IMT plus it is very IMT for 2 marks. Write a short note on the engineering. At that time also you can write it. Yeah. When environment is celebrated, 1 mark question. 2nd February. 2nd February. It is employment. 2nd February employment day. When employment day decided by the government, that is 2nd February. Okay. And next one is the Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay Shramyo Jayate Rozgar Yojana. From this point I am going to start today. Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay Shramyo Jayate Rozgar Yojana. Actually, its short name is PDUSJY. Whenever in MCQ or in 1 mark question, Pandit, what is the full form PDUSJY? That time you can write Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay Shramyo Jayate Yojana. What is its main objective and when it is started? It is started from 16th October 2002. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Shramik Jayate Rozgar Yojana started from 16 October 2014, and its scheme's objective is to provide health and security along with good management, development and welfare to the laborers of unorganized sector and to develop conductive and conducive environment for industrial development. So this type of objective decided by this scheme. When it started, 16th October 2014. Next one is Deendayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. You can easily get its objective by its name, BUGJY. Deendayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. It is related to electricity. Okay, and its main objective to provide electrification to all peoples, to all rural areas, 24 into 7 electricity services in the rural area. That means what? 24 hours, 7 days. Peoples will get electricity services in rural area. It is the main objective of DUGJY. Next one is Deendayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. What does it mean? Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. Kaushalya Yojana, that means skill. Okay. So this scheme was started on 25th September 2014. The main objective of this program was to provide employment to youth between age group of 18 to 35. Okay, when it started? It started 25th September 2014. What is its main objective? To provide employment to youth between the age of the 18 to 35. Okay, friends? Next one is Prime Minister Agriculture Irrigation Program. Prime Minister Agriculture Irrigation Program. It started on 1st July 2015. Its main objective has water to everything. What was the objective of Prime Minister Agriculture Irrigation Program? Main objective is water to everything. On another side, which type of program has the objective of water to everything? Then you can write Prime Minister Agricultural Irrigation Program. For 1 mark, there is date and then objective. Is most IMP for 1 mark answer. So friends, without any fail, you learn when it started and what is the objective of these 5 programs. So you can complete 5 answers for 1 mark. Our chapter is over. Now we are discussing that's all MCQs. First one MCQ is choose the correct option for the following questions. First one is a person is capable, willing, and ready to work at current wage. Rate but not getting work is said to be unemployed. Next one. Compulsory nature of the unemployment is seen in which context of the labor supply? This answer is children. Next one. Who presented 4 measuring role of the measuring type of unemployment? Last question. Which type of unemployment arises due to lack of effective demand? Lack of effective demand. This answer is effective demand, which will include cyclical unemployment during deflation. Next one, which type of production technique increase unemployment? Labor intensive. Because of in the labor intensive technique, the proportionate of labor is higher than proportionate of capital in the production technique. So it's more and more suitable and more favorable for provide the employment opportunity to the laborers. So labor intensive technique is the more suitable to provide unemployment. Next one is answer the following question in 1 line. That means 1 mark. Explain meaning of unemployment. This meaning of unemployment you can write from the glossary. If it is not in glossary, you can write from the this line in the sentence we have done in the beginning of the first page of the chapter. On the first page of this chapter, you open there your textbook. First page of this chapter. What do you mean by the unemployment? From here you can write unemployment is the situation where a person is ready and capable to work at current wage rate but does not get work. Known as unemployment. You have to learn and write a sentence on the page number 66. Okay. Next one question is, what do you mean by, you open your textbook and with me you also turn the page and mark on that so you can get all answers very well. Second question is, which type of unemployment is seen in the developed nation? In the developed nation, you can write its answer frictional and cyclical. Frictional and cyclical. Define disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment is employment where when a person who is engaged in the work and employed also, but that person's labor's marginal productivity is zero. That person is known as disguised unemployment. Okay. Which depression is called world's Great Depression? America's Depression 1929-30 is called Great Depression of the world. 1929-30 is known as Great Depression of the world. Next one, from where is information regarding extent of the unemployment is in India is obtained? From the Employment Registration Services and NSS. If you want, you can write from the textbook. Open this page. On this page, we have the answer. Who is collecting the population related data? Who is collecting the population related data? Collected by population related data collected by NSSO. Okay. So unemployment related data was collected by NSSO. Okay. Next one is, the question is word to word I am unable to, but it is in this chapter only. The depression related answer you can write from here. Okay. Great Depression related answer which I said now only. You can write from here. Then after our next question, who is collecting the data of the unemployment? The unemployment related data collected by NSSO, National Central Survey Organization. So, come to the next question. The next question is, from where is information regarding computed? Which age group is called productive age group? Productive. 15 to 64. 15 to more than 15 to 64. Which industries should develop to solve the problem of unemployment? Which industry should develop to solve the problem of unemployment? Its answer is small and cottage industry. What is its answer? Small and cottage industry. Which slogan is given by Prime Minister Agriculture Irrigation Scheme? Water to every field. Now only we have read. Water to every field. This line. Water to every field. This is started from 1st July 2015. Main was Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Shramev Jayate Rozgar Yojana started. Shramev Jayate. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Shramev Jayate Rozgar Yojana started. Shramev Jayate Rozgar Yojana started from 16th December 2014. These all are most IMP questions for 1 mark. So friends, please learn it. Otherwise, maybe it will be included in your exam. It's very easy, but if you will not revise something, you will write wrong answer, then you will not get marks. But it is easy. So without mistake, you have to learn this all. Any one answer is confirmed. One question will confirm to select in your final exam. Next one is for 2 marks. Explain meaning of full unemployment. Full unemployment, that means what, friend? Fully unemployment, open unemployment. So we can write the meaning of the open unemployment from here. What do you mean by the open unemployment? Open unemployment means we can write from the types of unemployment. Open the page, types of unemployment. From there you can write and learn this answer. Open unemployment, that means a person who is ready to work, capable and ready to work at a basis, but not getting work, nothing, any type of work. Then that person is known as fully unemployed. Okay? It is asked. What do you mean by the fully unemployed? Those individuals who are ready to do work at current wage and process qualification too, but do not get any job, are said to be fully unemployed or open unemployed. That is the answer. Next one question is, for 2 marks, next one question is, explain frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment, that means what? Frictional unemployment, that means a person who is already in the work, but due to R&D, research and development, if any new technology invented in the market, or due to the other reasons, these other reasons are, first one is uh, new quality, new trends, new patient, and new type of challenges faced in the market, new good entered in the market. Then there's people who already work under the any old type of production good. That time these people will remove from the work. And during the short time period, if they will not get any new technologies related skill and training during this time, these people will be unemployed. You can write from this page. When in the production process, because of the change in the demand or production or due to change in the taste and preference or new technology, new goods enter in the market and unemployment arises. Then this unemployment is called frictional unemployment. For example, smartphone replace to all mobile phone. Then laborers engage in the production, sales, and service of the all mobile phone becomes unemployment. We have read this answer only. Okay. Next one is the next question. The next question of this chapter is, you also made in your textbook. Next question, what is the age group? Sorry, we have done this one. The problem of unemployment is because of the low saving and investment in India. Actually, these whole points are related to cost. Okay. Labor intensive technique is more applicable for India, which is also started to grow. provide continuous electricity service in rural area. So before that, these both questions are you can write from the courses. Okay. And this one, sorry, first one is related to cost and second one is related to labor intensive technique is more applicable for India and this answer you can write from the so that point labor intensive technique. From that point you can write this answer. Labor intensive techniques given in the measure to reduce the unemployment problem. There that this topic, this point has given. So from this point you can write labor intensive technique used to solve the unemployment problem. Labor intensive technique. Before that, I will explain this answer. Wait 2 minutes. From the page number 70, you can write this answer. Actually, it has given the cause, but you can write it. You can change some sentences and you can write from the second 5-year plan, mostly importance given to the machinery and heavy domestic industry. But after the plan, after the five, fifth 5-year plan, our government has mostly importance given to the basic industries and there's all type of industries, other industries also which are very important for the to provide the employment to the labor. And for that purpose, labor intensive technique is suitable. And for that purpose, as a result, employment program has become active. That's why Bhagwati committee and Venkatraman committee was formed to study unemployment. Also recommended to use less of machines, okay, machinization, and on the place of the machine, labor should be used. So people will get employment. Already in our India, labor supply is high, labors are abundant. So by these industries, if labor intensive technique will be used by them, these people who are sick for the job and who want to do a job, these people will get the work opportunity. So we can say labor intensive technique is the more applicable. Which scheme was started to provide continuous electricity service in rural areas? Which scheme? Now we have done now. Dindal, which we have done? Pandit Dindal Upadhyay Shramyo Chaitya Yojana, which started from 16th October 2014. No, Gram Jyoti Yojana. Dindal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, DUGJY, and started only for this objective to provide constant 24 into 7 electricity service in the rural areas. Okay, you have to write it. This much answer only we have, so we have done this only. How we will complete the half page or not? If we have this much answer, we have to write this one. And then we have to write what we mean by the labor techniques and labor intensive technique of the production. You have to write from the glossary. Okay, and learn from the course. When and by which objective? Prime Minister Irrigation Scheme was started. Prime Minister Irrigation Scheme was started by which scheme? Prime Minister Irrigation Scheme started to provide water to every field. And its main objective is also this one, and it's started from the 1st July 2015. Its full name is Prime Minister Agriculture Irrigation Program. And optimum use to available resources and planning of irrigational facility to agricultural area is the objective. Hence, we have completed 1 mark, 2 mark, MCQs and this all. Next one, 3 mark and 5 mark question you complete yourself. If also, if you have any query, you can personally message me. I will solve your doubt. One time you try, there's all our answers in our textbook. Instead of that, if you have any query, any doubt, personally message me. I will solve that. cardiacs. Okay, friends, be happy, be safe.